As children, we believed in magic. At OFX, we still do. We see magic every day. What's more, we believe it's our job to help you experience magic too. How? By using our 17 years' experience to let you explore the world without the baggage of excessive bank fees. Offering global licenses to make international payments easy for your borderless business. Making sure there's an expert from our global team on hand, no matter where your feet take you. Giving you peace of mind when buying your little piece of heaven. And by helping you spread some magic of your own this Christmas. When it matters, OFX it.